Esteban in California. Esteban, welcome to the program.
Good morning, Dan. Good morning, Dan. Just first off, thank you for the show. It's been a blessing for this time right now. Just want to say I am active duty military, 65 inches, 165 pounds. Just wanted to issue a pie in the face challenge to Paulie for his egregious take on my Raiders of going over or under. So I kind of want to raise the bar a little bit at 9, and I'll take the over. And if he takes the under and wins, I'll get 2 pies in my face from my fellow Marines. And if he loses, then Dan, I'd like you to give him a pie in the face.
Okay, Paulie, are you willing to accept Esteban's wager there?
Of course. What it sounds like a good guy. He's a fan of his team, good soldier. I'm glad to take the bet.
Okay, so the over/under, you're taking over 9 wins for the Raiders, Esteban.
Yes.
Do you want to just hit yourself in the face with the pies
Just
now and
do
get
it
it over
now.
with? To save us all a lot of time. Thank you for your service.
All right. We'll file it away, and then we'll get to the point of the regular season when the Raiders won't be able to get to 10 wins, and then you call in, and we'll make sure that you videotape that with your fellow Marines peppering you with a couple of pies.
That'd be awesome.
All right. Well, thank you, Esteban. Yes, McLevin.
You like the Raiders. You liked them last year.
I'm just trying to spice this up a little bit.
I'm so into this bet. This has made – I love all these bets. They're making everything worth watching.
I know. Pie to the face with Esteban. So he's got – the Raiders have to win 10. The over – when you say they're going to go over 9, that means they're going to 10. Yeah, Paulie.
And being a Marine, we're calling this bet Semper Pi instead of Semper Fi. That's the Marine. That's what the Marines say. He'll like that.
The Marines in the audience are like,
yeah.
Everyone knows Semper Fi.
My dad was a Marine, and I didn't know it. But look, it's going to go well in the military.
The Marine community?
Yes, yeah.
Loving me
We're
right now.
big in the Marine Corps. A few good men.
Semper Pi.